Introduction. In today's digital age, making money online has become increasingly popular and accessible. One such avenue that has gained immense popularity is Merch by Amazon. This innovative platform allows individuals to design, sell, and profit from their custom-made apparel and merchandise. Making $5,000 a month through Merch by Amazon might sound ambitious, but with the right strategies and dedication, it's entirely achievable. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the steps, tips, and tricks to help you realize this financial goal. Chapter 1. Understanding Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is an online platform that enables individuals to design and sell custom clothing and merchandise. It's a print-on-demand service, meaning products are only printed when an order is placed, eliminating the need for inventory management. Here's a quick overview of the key aspects of Merch by Amazon. 1. Designing. Creating unique and appealing designs is the core of Merch by Amazon. Your designs can range from t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases and mugs. The more creative and marketable your designs are, the more likely you are to succeed. 2. Listing. Once you've designed your products, you list them on Amazon's marketplace. You can choose from various product types, sizes, and colors to appeal to a broad audience. 3. Pricing. You have control over the pricing of your products. However, it's essential to strike a balance between competitiveness and profitability. 4. Amazon's role. Amazon handles the printing, packing, and shipping of the products. They also handle customer service, which leaves you with the primary responsibility of creating and promoting your designs. Chapter 2. Navigating the application process. Before you can start selling on Merch by Amazon, you'll need to go through an application process. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Create an Amazon seller account. If you don't have one already, sign up for an Amazon seller account. Make sure your account information is accurate and up to date. 2. Apply for Merch by Amazon. Once your seller account is set up, apply for Merch by Amazon. This application can take time, as Amazon occasionally restricts new enrollments. Be patient and keep an eye on your application status. 3. Wait for approval. If your application is approved, congratulations. You can now start creating and listing your designs on the platform. Chapter 3. Building your design skills. To stand out on Merch by Amazon, you need exceptional design skills. If you're not a designer, consider these options. 1. Learn graphic design. Invest time in learning graphic design using software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. There are numerous online tutorials and courses to help you improve your design skills. 2. Hire a designer. If you lack design skills, consider hiring a professional designer. While it may increase your initial costs, it can lead to high-quality, marketable designs. 3. Design tools. Utilize design tools provided by Amazon, such as Merch by Amazon's design software. These tools can simplify the design process for beginners. Chapter 4. Researching your niche. The success of your Merch by Amazon venture largely depends on selecting the right niches. Here's how to research and choose profitable niches. 1. Market trends. Keep an eye on market trends and consumer interests. What's popular today might not be in demand tomorrow, so your designs need to be current. 2. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Amazon's search suggestions to identify popular keywords and phrases related to your niche. This will help you optimize your listings for search. 3. Competition analysis. Study your competitors, see what's working for them and what isn't. Pay attention to their pricing, designs, and customer reviews. Chapter 5. Creating high-quality listings. The way you present your products on Merch by Amazon plays a significant role in your success. Follow these steps to create high-quality listings. 1. Compelling titles. Your product titles should be clear, concise, and incorporate relevant keywords. This improves the discoverability of your designs. 2. Detailed descriptions. Provide comprehensive product descriptions that include material details, sizing information, and any unique selling points. The more information you offer, the more confident potential buyers will be. 3. High-quality images. Upload clear, high-resolution images of your designs. Show different angles and product variations whenever possible. 4. Pricing strategies. Determine competitive yet profitable prices for your products. Consider running limited-time promotions to attract more customers. Chapter 6. Marketing your merch. Simply listing your products isn't enough. To make $5,000 a month, you need to promote your merchandise effectively. 1. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your designs. Use relevant hashtags and engage with your audience to build a following. 2. Amazon PPC advertising. Amazon offers a pay-per-click advertising platform that allows you to target specific keywords and demographics. This can boost your product's visibility. 3. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche. Provide valuable content and subtly promote your products within your content. 4. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested customers and keep them informed about new designs, promotions, and special offers. Chapter 7. Scaling your business. Once you start making sales, it's essential to scale your business to reach the $5,000 per month goal. Here's how to do it. 1. Add more designs. Continuously create and add new designs to your portfolio. The more products you have, the higher your potential earnings. 2. Outsource tasks. As your business grows, consider outsourcing tasks like customer service, design, and even product listings to free up your time for more critical tasks. 3. Expand to other platforms. While Merch by Amazon is a great starting point, don't limit yourself to one platform. Consider expanding to other print-on-demand services or setting up your own e-commerce website. 4. Analyze data. Regularly review your sales data to identify trends and opportunities. Adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not. Chapter 8. Staying compliant and avoiding pitfalls. Merch by Amazon has strict rules and guidelines to maintain the quality of the marketplace. To avoid issues and account suspensions, make sure to 1. Respect copyrights and trademarks. Don't use copyrighted or trademarked materials in your designs unless you have the necessary permissions. 2. Adhere to content guidelines. Follow Amazon's content policies, including rules on explicit content and prohibited themes. 3. Handle customer complaints. Respond to customer inquiries and issues promptly and professionally. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and become repeat buyers. Conclusion. Making $5,000 a month with Merch by Amazon is achievable with the right approach, dedication, and a good understanding of the platform. By investing in your design skills, researching profitable niches, creating high-quality listings, and effectively marketing your products, you can work your way towards financial success. Keep learning, scaling your business, and staying compliant to ensure steady growth in your Merch by Amazon venture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.